What's up, guys? Mike here, Respect 13 Motorsports. I'm coming to you again from the cockpit of our Assetto Corsa mod for the Hayabusa swapped shop car that we built. I made some edits to the mod, including giving it the Gen 2 Hayabusa power band, so I'd like to do another drag race with it, and again, we're up against the Exige S240, which is, you know, a very, very quick car by most people's standards. So let's see what we can do here with the 3.9 diff that gives it a top speed of 118 miles an hour. So again, we're going to be using the paddle shifters. Just gives us, this will probably give us the quickest times. I know that you can get pretty quick with the manual shift kit, but alright, there we go. 12.7, give us a decent crash. Hopefully you saw the Exige way back there. So that's not too shabby, guys. About the speed of a stock K-swap, maybe even a little bit quicker than a stock K-swap, but obviously going to be a much more potent autocross and track weapon. So give the swap a look at www.spec13motorsports.com. Check us out on YouTube, check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and as always, happy track day stuff.